Provider recredentialing. Why do we do it and how do we make it better? When a provider initially seeks to work with a facility, they submit comprehensive information for a thorough verification process, followed by board approval. Recredentialing, similar to the initial process but occurring every 2 to 3 years, requires less information. Its main purpose is ensuring payers meet NCQA standards for due diligence. The recredentialing process notifies providers to update their applications, verifying medical licenses, malpractice insurance, and other requirements. Now, although the process sounds daunting, modern tech platforms like Madaket have dramatically simplified it. By integrating provider data from CAQH directly into Madaket, it enables enrollment with unlimited payers from our 4,000 payer library, streamlining credentialing. Centralizing and regularly updating provider data simplifies recredentialing, making it a smoother, more efficient process. Contact Madaket to see how your recredentialing process can be revamped with fewer clicks and less headaches.